Hey, what's up? So I'm going to show you how I built my latest marketing landing page in just about an hour. People are making videos and saying you can push a button in 10 minutes and have something ready like websites, but you're really going to want to spend more time on the research and what the design is going to look like. I'm going to scroll through and show you. So this is actually to my school community where I teach people how to start and grow YouTube channels. I was thinking that it needed an uplift instead of just sending them to like the school about page, which is very limited. I can show you that real quick. If we go over to my school community, this is real business stuff, right? Like this is what you would want to do if you, whatever service you're offering, whatever course you're selling, whatever software you're selling, you're going to need to have a nice landing page because you can see right here, this is a landing page and testing. It doesn't really convert that well because you can look at it, a picture, a video, some testimonials and different things. That's pretty good. But it's not quite enough information for somebody to fully get the picture, start building trust and so forth, and then actually buy, right? And this is all the things that you get inside of the community, but this is just not, a great landing page. It's a very, and it was kind of designed like that. But it's up to us as marketers to build something that looks better. Right now we have 63 members. We had 7 new paid members come in the last 5 days, which is awesome. About a year ago, we actually got up to about 130, 140 paid members, and I'm now promoting it on other channels and so forth. I don't share it much on this channel because you guys are interested in software and so forth, right? This is more about affiliate marketing and YouTube growth. I'm showing this because this is a service that I offer. This is part of my business. It's a leg of my business. I needed a solution. So I'm going to use AI to help me build a super ridiculous, like $10,000 landing page for this, right? And back to when we got over 100 paid members, it was because I did have a landing page and it wasn't even that great of looking because I built it from scratch in WordPress. The important part was the amount of information that was on it. And I actually have, I believe, let me go and see if I can open this up. Okay, so this is actually what it looked like. We can zoom in. So this is the high converting, like super ugly, right? I went with like gray background and stuff like that. But this is the super converting, and I tracked this because the video was recorded in Loom at the time. Oh, in Loom, you can see how many views you're getting, how many people are engaging with the content. They would read through and look at all this. And I changed the name of the community. I used to be Six Figure Freedom Club. But you can just see, earnings proof, why you would want to join, blah, blah, blah. So you've got all this information right here, pretty cool stuff, all the stuff you get if you join, and a pretty standard landing sales page, right? This actually converted really well. This was converting at like 10% or higher, 10 to 12%. I just needed more traffic. I saved all the copy and screenshots. What I wanted to do was get people to look at a landing page before they arrive on here to purchase the school community membership. And so what I ended up doing was that's what led into, now check out this page, guys. Now all the buttons work. If I click on this, it scrolls you down. Look at the pricing. Pricing has recently changed. I want to work with really serious people. It starts at $97. It used to be $27. It's now $97 per month. You can get in for one entire year for $500 and you get a massive bonus and so forth. But this is the kind of stuff that we can build using AI. I'm going to scroll back up to the top real quick and we'll just quickly scroll through and show you all these buttons. When you click on them, they take you to the buy button or the pricing page. Every single one of these images is like, if you can't read it, you can just click on it. And I was able to make it like this, which is just absolutely nuts, right? This was just taken last month, $10,000 Warrior Plus right there. And you can see I'm a top 1% earner, a top 13 in the entire world on Warrior Plus right now in the last 60 days. So, it just builds credibility, leaderboards, #1, all kinds of good stuff, right? So it just goes over why you would want a mentor. This is kind of how you would want to build your page, proof and so forth. Tell my story and what you get inside. So this is the same content as the other one, right? Look at the difference between these two pages. Like it's just night and day difference, right? Like the quality of this page right here. I'm gonna show you what I did. We're gonna reverse engineer this. All these are clickable. Here's Brett, part of the community as well. And then all these testimonials in the group right here. Ali got his first affiliate sale. We share that and stuff as well. So you got all the testimonies, all the proof and everything. You got your FAQ, and then you have your 2 ways to get access. And then you've got your bonus. If someone comes in at an annual price, a membership, they get a bonus. And then I go over what the bonus is right here, what they get if they join, and then kind of just all classic marketing stuff, right? And then this is really cool. Look at these boxes right here that you used to have to go and buy, $100 WordPress plugins in order to like add things like this, right, onto your site. Now we can do it very quickly. And then we have this right over here, and there's the final pricing page, income disclaimer, all that. So how did I build this page? I used this new no-code building app called Base 44. This was recently purchased by Wix, one of the massive giants in the website creation and hosting space. They've been around a long time. There's Squarespace. There's a bunch of other sites like it, but it's definitely one of the biggest website building softwares and brands out there. And so they just bought Base 44 from a coder for $80 million. I watched YouTube videos on it, and it really met all the needs that I wanted because it does everything for you. Before this, the problem was you would have to go into other tools that are great, but more technical. Even though it's no code, you still have to learn a lot. And connecting the dots is where these no code builders don't shine, right? That's where they're flawed. You can build a cool looking app that on the surface looks like it functions well, but then on the back end, there's still a lot of dots you have to connect, and they kind of leave you hanging, eat up your credits, leave you hanging. And I've tested them out. Lovable is probably my second favorite, but you still need to know a lot to connect your Supabase and your GitHubs. You might have to go and host that on another platform, and you're going to have to learn a lot more about connecting all the dots. Base 44 does everything and houses everything under one roof. It's the first tool out there that I've seen that meets all the criteria. It's well funded. Wix just bought it for $80 million. And how much is Wix worth? We'll come over here. Okay, so we go over here and we look at Wix.com. It's a market capitalization of $6.72 billion, making $166 million per year and $1.87 billion in revenue per year. This makes me feel really good about buying a software like this. They're going to be able to stay ahead of the curve. No one's going to be able to come in and compete with what has already been built. The guy that sold it to them for $80 million is also on the team, still working. They're paying him to run the Base 44 software. So it's still going to get all the care from this master coder that coded this with a genius idea. I really just like the whole story. And then finally, testing. I've gotten further with my no-code app building with this tool than with any other tool I've tested out. So with that said, there is a link below. Go pick this up. We'll check out the pricing real quick. You can come in at a free price right over here, 25 messages, and you'll probably be able to get your prototype, your MVP created even on the free plan. But when you want to go and execute it and actually get serious, you're going to need to move to a minimum of the starter plan. You're going to need the starter plan. There's some things like the custom domain that you don't get in the starter plan. I tested it out and I was completely blown away. I've already built a software with it in 1 week, about 30 hours of coding. And then also I've built my landing page you see right over here. I'm going to show you it real quick. In Base 44, I built this $10,000 looking landing page. So I quickly went from the free and jumped right into Builder. Right now I'm on Builder mode and I've got about 50 messages left. I've built an entire pretty complex app with APIs, all kinds of stuff. I think the Builder plan is really going to be the sweet spot for most people to manage and build like one tool per month to be able to manage their tools. You are going to be able to get all your needs met on the Pro plan. I'm on the Builder plan right now and it's working out for me, but I've exhausted about 80% of my credits and I still have 2 more weeks left before it gets renewed. So I may be stepping it up to the Pro plan. If I run into the credits, I'll step it up to the Pro plan because the tool is that good. This tool is amazing. And I'm just saying that because I've tested a lot of them. And you guys go watch my Greta ones. I've built stuff in Lovable, but I was never able to actually launch any tools or anything like that. This one actually lets you launch. Okay, so this is what it looked like when I came in here. Okay, I'm going to click the publish right here. This is like a case study. I'm just showing you what I did, right? Leave a comment below if you've made it this far in the video. And if you want me to build a landing page, then I'll build a landing page. But this one, I'm just going to show you what I did. Say, yes, build landing page with Base 44. In the comments below, I know you watched at least 10 minutes of this video, and I will get that video out for you. We'll actually go and build a landing page together. I did a full page scan of a really nice looking app, and I'm going to show you how I did that. And this is the prompt I used. Create a $10,000 website that looks so good any visitor will be impressed and want to purchase the product. Design a one-page website identical to the attached. We will change all the content after the initial setup. So this is something after learning from other no coders and so forth. A lot of times, if you front load a prompt, it's just not going to be able to do all of it in one go. It's better to build a base and then make changes to the design, make changes to each section. You're going to get a better result than just firing away with a massive prompt that has every little detail in there. What I've seen, and even with Base 44, it will struggle to get everything right. And then you'll be hunting for what it got right and what it didn't get right. It's better to just build it like this. So where did I get this design from? Well, I like to go over to this place, and you go to webflow.com, because Webflow it's an expensive kind of WordPress alternative. And it's a content management system, hosts your websites and everything. And they're known for having some really, really good looking websites. I found one, this professional services website template. You could buy this for $99, and you'll also have to have an account with Webflow in order to make this happen. The way that I look at it, that's another cool thing about Base 44 is that they host all of your sites. We can go and hook up a custom domain, but they're going to host all the things you build. They're going to host it for you. They're taking care of the database. They're taking care of the hosting. They're taking care of the authentication for users. They're taking care of everything under one roof. And that's my style. That's what I want to do. I don't want to be paying 10 different tools. When you're a web developer, up until this point, you have to get hosting somewhere else. You got to build your app somewhere else. You got to use a database from somewhere else. You've got to manage analytics from somebody else. Base 44 does all of it under one roof. I can show you that in a minute. That's kind of what I did. I went and I used this little scroll go full page. It took a snapshot of this entire page, scrolled down, took a snapshot. I believe I opened it in a full browser. When we came back, that's where I got that from. We attached that. I gave the prompt. It built a dummy page for me. You can see it created this whole thing. And then it created this right here. And then I said, implement the attached PDF. And that PDF that you're looking at is this right here. So this PDF with all the language and screenshots went ahead and implemented that. So that's where I attached that and said only the product and the community called YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. We changed from Six Figure Freedom Club to YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. And then I will transform your premium marketing website into a high converting sales page. Okay. So I did all this, and it's pretty fast as well. It's definitely faster than Greta and so forth. And then we just continue to come down here. And I said for testimonials, replace the current with these exact. I tried to do a good job in the front end of grabbing those images and putting them in there, but it didn't really do very well with that. I find that you do need to get each image and do that manually. That was okay. I replaced images on each section. This took time. This was not one click upload and then it's done. It probably took about an hour or two to really go through, because look at the scroll bar right here. And when I'm scrolling my mouse down, look how much I had to do with the design. I think that this is where coding and no coding is going. The people that are willing to put in the effort and actually spend 2 hours on a landing page that AI is helping them out with, they're the ones that are going to get the results and the nice looking page. See, look at every single one of these, add this image in the We Have So Much Fun with Our Community contest section, right? So you steer the ship the entire time. So your results that you're going to get right over here, it's going to be something like in here, keep dimensions so fit the man in the attached the same image dimension that we have on the site. They did a pretty good job with that because I wanted the image to be more profiles 9:16 and so forth. You can see that every image was carefully placed with a separate set of instructions. Then we got through here. Look at this, a lot right here that we had to do. We added a quick wins section, and look at this massive prompt right over here that we put in there. It's a story. We added that story in there, then added David Mill's story section, right? So we just kept going through and I kept talking. Look how much talking I did. Right after the section, add this section. David is the top affiliate on AppSumo. So you can see that this was not something that was push button, but I put in the effort, I put in the time learning how to no code, and that's when you're going to get results. So let me just look at this. It just keeps going. This is how much effort went into it. Everybody else is telling you, just push a button and you're going to get a page that looks like this. Look, you're going to get a page that looks like this. It's not going to be customized with images. One of my favorite parts about it was when we implemented the ability to click on things and it actually pops up. We've got Charles right here. This was not native to the app when it first built, but I put that prompt in there and was able to get to where these are clickable and they blow up like that. That's just ridiculous. So this is kind of how I did it. You'll be able to go into dashboard. You'll be able to go into your analytics and it's going to keep track. So we've had 78 total home visitors. You could hook up Google Analytics and so forth to this, but you're going to get your unique users by day and everything. Right over here, you're going to get your users over time. You're going to get total usage over time. 48 visits right there because I did a promotion and so forth when the pricing changed. You're going to get basic stats. All the back end, everything is right here on the dashboard. So that's kind of how I did that. What do you guys think? Probably took about 2 hours. This is the best landing page that I've ever built. I used no code and took an hour to 2 hours to actually put this together. During the promotion, I had some really nice countdown timers above the payment options. I had a bright green box that said the price was going up and a countdown timer ran for 4 days. We were able to make 7 sales. Pretty cool stuff. That's my little case study. Leave a comment below if you want me to build a landing page in front of you. I'll make that video for you. Maybe it'll be a SaaS page. We'll create a product and we'll build a SaaS landing page because that's probably what you guys are interested in and so forth. If you're interested in checking out Base44 for free and building your first MVP, I've already tested a bunch of these things. I've tested over 1,000 pieces of software in the last few years. This is what I do for a living. I'm passionate and getting into no coding because now I feel like I can put the thoughts in my head into actual applications that will help people out in their business. And so that's what led me to is like a perfect match where Base44 just kind of came out of nowhere. And I think it's going to be the #1 tool. No one really knows about it right now. There's been a couple of videos floating around on YouTube, but in general, when you compare this to like Lovable, Bolt, and Cursor, no one knows about Base44 still, right? So I'm telling you right now from LearnWire, this is my go-to app. This is the app that I'm going to be building my apps on, and I'm thoroughly impressed. That's the last thing I forgot to tell you. So if you come over here, all you have to do is just publish. You can publish your app, and then you have your link right here. Now, when I want to, all I have to do is come over here to dashboard and go to domains. I can buy a domain from them or hook up a domain that I already own at Namecheap. We can integrate it easily and have our own domain, which I need to do that so it'll look better and more professional for people visiting my page. These are the things left out on other platforms. You can't easily connect things. You don't have your users and your database created inside of one dashboard right here. Link below, go check it out. I'll see you in the next video.